Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade in BTS Cooking On. To upgrade, first click on the level you're gonna play, then tap on upgrade, and here you can upgrade either the ingredients, for example the soup, rice or other things, or you can also upgrade utilities. For example, I'm gonna now upgrade the gas stove. You can see that this upgrade will give me 2 instead of 1 soups at once, and it's gonna decrease the time from 5 seconds to 4 seconds. This is the price for the upgrade, and I have enough money to upgrade it, so I can just click on upgrade. And now it's delivered. I can click on it to claim it and continue, and now you can see it has 2 places for the soup, so I can make 2 soups at once. Now when I go back, I can click on start and start the game with the upgraded utility. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.